Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Immediate past spokesperson for the Pan-Niger Delta Forum PANDEF, High Chief Anabs Sara Igbe, has called for accelerated development of the Niger Delta region under the administration of President Bola Tinubu. High Chief Sara Igbe made the call in a chat with Inside the Niger Delta recently in Port Harcourt.
Prior to his election, President Bola Tinubu had embarked on a nationwide campaign soliciting for votes. It will be recalled that on several occasions when he campaigned in the Niger Delta, the president had promised to transform the region's economy if given the opportunity to lead the country.
Your port, your steel industry, the honor, and many other areas of development. Your fish industry, your aluminium smelter, they are not for sale. They are for development. And we commit to your progress. I will fulfill all the promises made to you.
Having fulfilled his ambition to become the nation's #1 citizen, President Tinubu has the obligation to revive moribund infrastructure in the Niger Delta as promised. This is the position of former spokesperson for the Pan-Niger Delta Forum PANDEF, High Chief Anabs Sara Igbe, who has drawn the president's attention to some ongoing projects that must be completed without further delay. For the elder statesman, the East-West Road reconstruction project, which the government of President Muhammadu Buhari could not complete in 8 years, should get the attention it deserves under the President Tinubu administration.
Look at the East-West Road. For 20 years plus, we have not been able to build it. And that is a road that covers the entire Niger Delta and is the gateway of the Nigerian economy. The East-West Road has been a death trap. We had the flooding last year. Flooding is coming. Sections of the East-West Road is destroyed. They have not been able to do it. Mr. President, please do it.
High Chief Sara Igbe, who is also the national coordinator of South-South Leaders Forum, wants the president to look into issues of political interference in the administration of the NDDC, as well as inadequate funding of the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs.
What are the things will Mr. President do? First, with the NDDC, he should be sure that their funds are released. 2, EFCC has been collecting their money for some years, from the interim government to now. We want EFCC to release those money to NDDC immediately so that they can use funds to quickly develop the region. The Niger Delta Ministry was like the Federal Capital Development Authority. Federal Capital Development Authority is funded effectively and they are developing the AKUGHA. Let Niger Delta Ministry be also funded.
High Chief Sara Igbe also calls on governors in the Niger Delta to stop deploying 13% derivation funds for the development of non-oil producing areas in their states, describing it as an act of injustice against oil producing communities that directly bear the brunt of crude oil exploration and production in the region.
Inside the Niger Delta.